Hello everyone, Georgios Papadopoulos here, and welcome back to COMNET Protocols. Today we are diving into the structure of EUI-48 and EUI-64 identifiers, the unique hardware addresses defined by the IEEE Registration Authority that make our networks work. An EUI-48 identifier, better known as a MAC address, is 48 bits long. It's usually written as 6 groups of 2 hexadecimal digits, which together make up the 48 bits. The EUI-48 is divided in 2 subgroups where each group consists of 24 bits or 3 bytes. The first group is called an Organizationally Unique Identifier or OUI, and it uniquely identifies a manufacturer, vendor, or other organization. Note that the OUIs are purchased from the IEEE Registration Authority. Now, the second 24-bit group is called Extension Identifier, which is also known as Vendor ID or NIC ID. The 24-bit extension identifier is assigned by the assignee of the OUI, in other words, by the vendors, manufacturers, or other organizations. Now, the final EUI-48 identifier is formed by concatenating the 24-bit OUI with a 24-bit extension identifier. In addition to EUI-48, there is EUI-64, which the IEEE recommends adopting for non-Ethernet technologies since it is more widely available. In this case, the second part of the MAC address, the extension identifier, consists of 5 bytes or 40 bits, while the OUI remains unchanged. Now, regarding the use of the EUI-48 and EUI-64 identifiers, the EUI-48 is employed in more traditional technologies such as Ethernet, Token Ring, and Wi-Fi, while the EUI-64 in technologies related to Internet of Things and wireless sensor networks such as IEEE 802.15.4, Zigbee, Thread, 6LoWPAN, and 6TiSCH. That's it for today's breakdown of EUI-48 and EUI-64 identifiers, the 2 key formats behind MAC addressing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode of COMNET Protocols.